What's up, everyone? Today is maintenance day for the business. Today I want to show you guys the updated trailer setup. I'm running a 4x8 trailer. I have a 35-gallon bleach tank, 65-gallon batch tank, soft wash system, 100-foot hose for the house, and 150-foot pressure washing hose. Definitely going to make more upgrades. I am going to get a new reel and a new hose. This is just about had it. Starting to leak from here. My 4 gallon per minute pressure washer is slowly deteriorating. As you can see here, it's starting to leak oil, so I will be upgrading to either another 4 gallon per minute or bite the bullet and get about a 5 gallon per minute. Surface cleaner, everything you guys seen in the old video. Back here I have my signage, business, what I accept, blah blah blah. That has definitely got me customers. So it is a nice compact setup. It looks a whole lot more professional than my little Harbor Freight trailer I had. But start small and build your way up. So what's really great is whenever I have this filled up, if I'm going to make a house mix, I just open this up and it pours right out. If I want to fill up my pump sprayers with bleach 50/50, I can do that as well. But anyway, I also want to cover yard signs. It is very slow. It's December. Luckily I had a great season, so I'm not too worried about working. I get bored sitting at home all the time, so what I've been doing lately is these are my this is my first yard signs I got whenever I started this business. As low as $100. It has my phone number, what it's for. It's all about where you place these. Lower income type neighborhoods, you're going to get a lot of phone calls from this. And if they say, hey, I seen your sign for $100 driveway cleaning, all you have to do is explain, hey, it actually says as low as $100, but you know, give me your information and I'll let you know the price. I have never done a driveway for $100. My minimum is $150, and so I will definitely charge at least $150. Like I said, this is to get the phone ringing. People say, oh, $100 guy, know your market, blah blah blah. Yeah, whatever. Like I said, this gets the phone to ring. I've seen guys advertising for $89 house washes. It's all about getting the phone to ring, okay? Now these, more professional, actually has my website, and just says pressure washing with a phone number. I use these mainly for whenever I complete a driveway or a house wash. I put these in customers' yards. So just to get the phone to ring, just advertisement pretty much. I also have this. I'm going to set this up on the trailer, and this is just gonna a lot of times when I'm in neighborhoods cleaning, there are people walking their dogs and whatnot. So I'm just gonna have this sit up somewhere. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, but all they have to do, I'm gonna have a little sign that says, you know, take one, and it's gonna have flyers and whatnot. In here right now is some flyers I have. I'm not gonna use for this. It's gonna be something completely different. But I pass these out also. These get me not right away ROI, but I have people keep these, and I've actually had people. The guy cleaned his driveway for 2 days ago. He's seen one of these signs, and he said he took a photo of it, and I was like, well, when did you take the photo? Because them signs got taken up like 5 months ago. And he said, well, I took a picture of it whenever I first seen it. And you know, I'm selling the house now, so I decided to go ahead and give you a call. So definitely, yard signs do work, flyers do work. It just takes a little time. So don't get discouraged if you're starting out and you're you know, setting them up. It's definitely slow season. It is December, so like I said, it is super slow. I'm lucky to get 1 or 2 jobs a week. I'm only in my first year of business, so I'm not complaining too much. This season coming up, I will definitely be balls to the wall, because I'm pretty established. I still get estimates on my website. I still have people send me stuff saying, hey, they want you know, this and that done, but starting in springtime. So I'm already starting to book for the springtime. But anyway, I want to show you guys my yard signs and my trailer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like my video if you want to. Yeah, and have a good day.